In today's video, I'm going to share with you a really simple way to make money online, and you can do this by uploading files. Now, I'm going to share with you two different websites, so if you don't like the first one, then please wait and keep an eye out for the second one, because in my opinion, it's a lot better than the first website we're going to look at. But that being said, let's jump over here. So, this is the first website and it's called file-upload.com. Now, how this works is it's basically a huge uploading site whereby they will go ahead and store all of your content for you. So if you come down here, you can see it's free file hosting, remote URL, etc, etc. But you go ahead and you create an account for free. And how you actually get paid with this platform here by uploading these files, you see here, File Upload PPD program is the simplest program, allows you to earn money every time your files are downloaded. So what's happening here is you upload a file, and then depending on the people in one of these groups here, we've got Group A, Group B and Group C, you can actually earn money every time somebody goes ahead and downloads a file. Now you might be wondering, well, what sort of file? So let me show you that now. So I'm just going to click on here where it says yes, I love free, and it opens up into this new tab here. And if I just scroll down, you can see, where's it gone? Look here, you can earn money from your files. This includes videos, songs, software, photos, drawings, articles and others. And basically, come down here, look, this is how much you can earn. I mean, there's a free account here, which is here, and you've also got the premium account. So on the premium account, you've got Group A, Group B and Group C. And you can see on here, this is how much you can expect to earn. So you've got $7 for people. And when it says Group A, basically it means traffic coming from these countries here. You've then got Group B from these countries, and then you've got Group C from basically anywhere that's not included in Group B or Group C. So literally, if you are going to go down this method, then just literally create a free account, start uploading what I'm going to share with you in a second, and then you'll be focusing on this one here, the $6, the $2, and the $2 as well. If we come further on the page here, you can also change this up if you want. So you've got pay per download, you can also change this to pay per sale, and you can also change this to mixed plan. But looking at the numbers, I would stick with this one up here, where it's 100% of the downloads that you can earn the money for. So if we scroll further on the page, in terms of the money, how much can you earn with this? Well, let me just show you how you can actually get paid out, because obviously we're interested in that as well. So you can get paid out in lots and lots of different ways. Where's it gone? It is... Look, down here. We've got PayPal, we've got Nutella, we've got Payoneer, we've got Western Union, MoneyGram. I don't even know what that is. For the Egypt Post, there's Cash Plus, and there's also, you can see here, we've got Visa. And they've also got cryptocurrency, so you can actually get paid out in Bitcoin. It's up here, look. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, and lots more. So there's lots of different options for you when it comes to getting paid. So getting started over on this platform here, it's really simple. You come over and you click on Make Money. And then once you're on this page here, you just click on Sign Up. It's a pretty straightforward sign up process. Just go through this and fill this in. And then on the right hand side here, you see this is your PayPal payment option. So any of these which you go ahead and click on, this is how you'll get paid from this site. But essentially what's happening is you're uploading files. If people download them, then you earn. It's basically a passive income for uploading these files onto here. So what sort of files would we be, uploading onto here? Well, literally, I would say go ahead and start with some PLRs content, and literally go from there. If you've got your own files in a certain, category or niche, then you can go and do that. But a really beginner process for this would be go and grab some PLR files. Just go on Google and type in PLR. And you can go with articles if you want, you can go with videos, and you can also go with ebooks. So let's just go with PLR for now. And look, there's lots of the PLR websites. There's lots of these different ones that you can get started with. So we'll go on here, we'll type in PLR. Scroll down here, look, you've got ID PLR, you've got buy quality. There's probably about 1,000 of these different websites whereby you can go ahead and sign up and get free content. So if you just come into this one here, we'll go into ID PLR, and I'll just show you how simple this whole process is, because you literally, again, on this website, you create an account for free and then you can download it. I mean, look, at this moment in time, there's 12,590 PLR products which you can resell and keep 100% of the profits. We've got ebooks, videos, graphics, audios, articles, and templates. So how does it work? Well, you literally come over here, sign up for free, and then you see over here, all of these products down here. Let me just go and show you one. We'll go into any of these products, we download them once we've got our free account. Look, Healthy Habits, download. So you can go ahead, download this file here, then you come back over to this website here. Once you've created your account, you upload your file onto here, and then every time people download that file, you start earning some money. So it's free to get started with because you can use this website here, it's free. You can go over to this website here, it's free. And we're just downloading these files and then we're uploading them. So it's okay, it's not the best, you're not going to earn a hell of a lot of money because as we've seen over here, let me just show you this make money. Where is it? It is, yeah, look, it's per 1,000 downloads. So if you're on the free account, you can expect to earn $6 for 1,000 downloads using this website. So it's not great, but it's a free option for you. What I would do is, if I was going down this route myself, is I would still go ahead and grab content from platforms like this, but then what I would do is I would go over to this website over here, which is free, and it's called Gumroad, and you can actually go ahead and upload these free PLR products that you get on this website here. You can list them over on here, and you can actually sell this for money. So let me go ahead and just search for this. Go on Gumroad, and we'll paste this into here like so. Let's see if anything comes up for this. Healthy Habits, and it normally just takes a second, and then look, you can see people are actually going ahead and uploading these, different, I mean, it will not just be PLR products, people have their own products on here, but when I've looked at this website in the past, there's people selling a lot of PLR products on here. They're normally ranging from about $9 to $10. I mean, look at this one here, Keto Guidebook, your guide to perfecting your eating habits. I know that this over here is a PLR product, and how much are they selling it for? They're selling it for $29. Scroll further on the page and you look, you can see everything that's included in this. It's all about the keto. In fact, let me go ahead and click off there. I'm going to copy this. Right, sorry, it's not letting me do it. Let me try on here. I'm going to click on search Google for this. Because what can happen is people are literally going ahead. So you see all of these ones here, what's happening is they could come over here and get a PLR product, and then all they do is they change the image over here. So this Healthy Habits here, they'd go onto a free piece of software like canva.com and they'd create a new image, which is this here, and they'd just change out the image from this website here. They'd create their own and they'd put that on here and upload it. And then what happens over on this Gumroad here is, once you've done this and you've set all of this up onto your account, you've uploaded your image, you've put your description in down here, then look, when people come on here to purchase this product, they add this to cart. Gumroad take a percent of your fee depending on whereby you're listing that, whether it's an ebook or a course or whatever, they will take a certain percent of that fee. But again, it's essentially a passive income because you do the work once, you upload it onto Gumroad, you set the price, and then it's just there working away for you. So pretty simple. And again, it's just a file. We just download the file, we upload the file. And if you want to take it a step further, I'll drop a link down below for you to a video that I did using a similar method to this, but where we incorporate our affiliate link. But look, that's today's video. Really simple, straightforward, and it's easy. You can get paid for downloading files and re-uploading them. So look, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But look, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.